All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2020 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive former Highway Patrol State Trooper vehicle. Original silver from factory. Vehicle does have very light little tiny scratches. Vehicle does have 2 door dings, which I will try to point out as I make my way around the vehicle. This Highway Patrol does have 106,000 miles and counting, with only 1787 actual idle hours as of today. Folks, I will continue to drive this car around and I will continue to have fun driving it. Okay, just so you know, so the miles will go up a little bit higher, but not by much. And you may have a few more idle hours, but that's about it. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. All right, here we go. Let me catch my breath. Fresh window tint that is going to be 20% all around, not too dark, not too light. Perfect color combination for this unit right here. Vehicle does have 4 holes on the body, 2 on the roof, and 2 on the trunk lid where those actual antennas are. Once again, folks, this is going to be an all-wheel drive 5.7 HEMI. As you guys can see, the vehicle has been fully registered. I do have California plates. I do have the California smog. And I do have the California title on hand. So she is ready to go to your local AAA office and do the name transfer. All right, folks. Oh, before I forget, vehicle does have working backup sensors and backup camera. Yes, everything does work on this unit. Folks, these are the actual antennas. They are in place. They're not gonna go anywhere. If you need to drive your vehicle through an express car wash, those antennas are gonna stay put and they are not gonna fly away. Let's continue here. Folks, if I do forget something, I will make sure I point it out in my description. Folks, before I forget, I gotta tell you the vehicle does have 2 little nips right here in the rear bumper. I put touch-up paint on it. Vehicle does have some holes right here where the LEDs, emergency lights were, the little bars. What you see is what you're gonna get. 1 little tiny scratch right here, which is not very noticeable, but is there. Folks, I gotta tell you everything that I see in this vehicle so that we don't have any misunderstandings. All 4 steel wheels are nice and glossy, so they did not need reconditioning. I did remove the full wheel covers that the vehicle came with, and I did the dog dish conversion on all 4 wheels, so, and degreased and cleaned out the steel wheels very nice, so they did come out really good. Vehicle did come with nice Goodyear Eagles RSAs 225 60 18s all around, courtesy of the department, folks. Also, before I forget, vehicle does appear to have semi-new brakes and rotors all around. Semi-new brakes and rotors all around, folks, from the department. 2 door dings, 1 right here, 1 right here. Okay, that's all I got right there. Before I forget, vehicle also does have blind spot sensors. They're right there. Little triangle turns on yellow when you have cars on your blind spot. Vehicle does have 1 new working LED spotlight bulb. The assembly was there, but I did replace the glass oxidated bulb that the car came with a new LED bulb. Folks, as you can see, I do have a nice set of headlights on this unit. The old ones that came with the car were replaced, and I did have a nice set of OEM on standby, so those headlights went on this vehicle, and I also replaced the light bulb. I went with the Savannah Silver Star, which are brighter at night. Also, you're gonna notice that the vehicle has a California Highway Patrol type push bar. It does have 4 rated lights with the Federal Signal AS124 siren speaker. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Professionally installed. There you have it. They do not work. The vehicle does not have emergency equipment, but the vehicle will go with those lights. And of course, if you wanted to get those to power up, they will power up with no problem. You know what you got to do. All right, let's go inside of the vehicle, folks. I do have a lot of ground to cover. Once again, if I do forget something, guys, I will make sure I do my description on my eBay ad. All right, folks, here we go. We do have a nice new rear seat. Once again, the rear seat on this vehicle is new. When the vehicle first came in, there was no rear seat or seatbelt buckle, so everything is new on this unit. What you see is what you're gonna get. It does have a nice vinyl floor, no rips, no tears. She is complete, folks. She is complete all around, folks. As you can see, this plastic right here, yes, the rear door locks were fully reassembled, so if you do have passengers, they'll be able to exit out of the vehicle on their own. The door locks, switches, rods, everything was installed in the door, so they are fully functional. And yes, the kit is sold at the Dodge dealer. It has to be OEM. You cannot do anything else. So yes, that was taken care of. I do have 4 nice door panels all around. Driver's side seat is in perfect condition. Passenger side seat is in perfect condition, nice and comfortable. Vehicle does have a new used OEM center console that I did purchase on OfferUp. Had it installed, wired everything up, and everything does work. So you do have a cigarette lighter that does work, auxiliary and USB connection does work, honk does work. Vehicle does have 2 key fobs, working key fobs with new batteries. All right, let's go inside. Sorry guys, let me clean this up. There you go, 2 key fobs right here. Okay, let's fire her up. Pressure lights are up. Okay, let me go ahead and take this. Pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have 1787 idle hours, 4300 lifetime. Once again, folks, what you see is what you're gonna get. Brand new LED bulb does work. Honk, cruise control, Bluetooth, everything does work. It's been tested. Nice larger display screen here, touch screen. You can control everything from here, the AC from here or here. All right. Red LED, white LED. Super cold air conditioner, folks, let me tell you. This is gonna be the trunk release button. It's been modified, so this is it. It does work, folks. Honk does work. There you go, guys. The clock is ticking, so I will make sure I cover as much ground as I can on this vehicle. And once again, if I do forget something, I will let you know. A vehicle also does have a new door hinge. I noticed that the door was popping when I opened it, and the lower door hinge was out. Once again, that is new OEM. New OEM, folks. These cars, everything for this vehicle has to be OEM. You can't go aftermarket. Vehicle does have a good used spare tire and wheel that I had to go on eBay and purchase, so they were purchased separately, so you get the wheel, steel wheel, and the tire. Okay, everything does work, folks. Everything does work. All right, backup camera right there, sensors over there. Oh, I forgot to open the hood. Oopsie daisy. I'm getting too excited on this one. Folks, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Very strong, very fast, folks, let me tell you. Nine minutes, gotta go. This is the engine, nice and quiet, no funny noises, no funny smells, no funny ticks, no funny clunking, no nothing, folks. She is good to go, fully serviced, and we're ready to go anywhere. All right, folks, starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. I do have full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter. I do have 16 Mopar Iridium spark plugs. Transmission was also serviced, ATF plus 4. Mopar fluid and filter kit only on this one. No aftermarket, folks, whatsoever. Cabin filter is also new. Porch valve solenoid sensor was also replaced on this one. They're coming for emissions code P0456 or 555. That's what it means. The solenoid is underneath the cover. Vehicle does have a new used engine cover as well that I purchased an offer up. So there you go. She looks nice. Water pump appears to have been replaced already by the department. Both fans work. Super cold air conditioner. All fluids have been topped off. Also, before I forget, the coolant reservoir tank was replaced, and I did pressure test my vehicles as they come in, and there was a small leak coming from here when I pressure tested it. So you got a new OEM coolant reservoir tank and OEM coolant, which took 1 gallon. Let me see what else. Brakes and rotors are in semi-new condition from the department. Drive belt is good, tensioner is good, so I did not need to replace any of those. Battery also appears to be new from the department, folks. Here she goes, folks. All done up, ready to go, folks. Very rare, unique vehicle. Yes, you can find it cheaper out there. Don't get me wrong, yes you can, but it's not gonna be in this condition. Folks, those of you guys that follow me, you guys know that I don't like to fail, and when I do deliver, I deliver the right way. If you guys are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call, text me. Let's see if we can come to some type of agreement, and let's see if you can drive this bad boy home. Alright folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. Thanks for staying with me for these 12 minutes. You guys have a great weekend out there. God bless and take care.